Hey guys, welcome to Veganuary day 13. Today we are making a no-nut yellow sauce.
It's a Maddie takeover. Because I didn't get dressed yet.
Yeah. She was gonna do it, but then I was like, alright, I'm already dressed and I put on my mascara today because we have to do a Big Brother video anyway, so.
If it wasn't 100% creepy, I'd stand behind you and put my arms through and...
No, okay.
I said if it wasn't creepy.
I think I'm more than capable. This
All
is
right.
a very easy recipe. The only tricky thing is that there's a lot of whisking.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start over here. We are gonna put our stove on low heat.
Yeah, that girl knows how to light it now, after that mishap.
Thought we weren't gonna talk about that. I almost blew up my face. It's fine. Okay, so we're gonna...
Is it?
All the measurements and ingredients will be in the info box below if you guys want to follow along. So we're starting off with our vegan butter, so we're just gonna let that melt.
Right.
And then we're gonna add all of our other stuff.
Well, you might as well add the milk now, too.
Okay, so because this is a no-nut cheese, we're not using any nut milks. We're going with the flax milk today.
Right.
So we are going to add 1 cup of that. Oh, I should shake this first.
Oh, you are right on it.
Yeah, I came to play today.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Got
those hoops,
my
though.
hoops and everything.
What's
Okay.
your biggest competition?
Hoops?
That's
oh my
right.
God, I wish
Flavor of
Cookie Powder
love.
was gonna be on Big Brother. Okay, so we got 1 cup of this flax milk. No more, no less.
Yeah. Say no more.
All right, next we're gonna add in our spices. So we have Harissa. What is this? Sea salt. For some reason I want to say sesame sea salt. That's not a thing.
No.
So we have our Himalayan sea salt, and we have onion and garlic. Granulated.
We use granulated.
It's just easier.
Well, the thing is, people ask if you can use the
Like fresh.
powdered. Like, what's the difference between granulated and powdered?
And there's also minced. Like, you got a lot of choices.
No, but we're talking about like dried spices.
Okay.
So like, when I say granulated and regular, it's pretty much interchangeable. The flavor is going to be slightly different, but it's still going to work and it's still going to be doable. Yeah, get that whisking
I'm
going.
just going to start whisking this a little bit. Our butter is still not completely melted.
Yeah, once the butter is melted, then you're ready for the next step. So you really don't need to do too much until it really starts simmering.
Yeah.
So you can see those bubbles. We're ready to add the flour.
Yeah, we did, full disclosure, turn up our heat just a little bit.
Just 1 notch on the old belt.
1 more point. So we're
Yes,
going to
Rocky.
slowly start adding our flour in.
You could go with like half of that.
Okay. This is going to make it nice and thick because it is very liquidy right now. So we're going to add some, then whisk.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to dip a chip in that right now. Blech.
No. Although it has a very nice smell.
Mm-hmm.
Texture-wise, we're not quite there yet.
No. Make sure you get all your lumpies out.
I'm not much of a whisker.
No, you're not. Full disclosure. But like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm trying to go around in a circle like a mixer would.
Oh, okay. I think you can add the rest of the flour now.
Okay, so now we're going to add the rest of our flour. Bloop. Flour powder.
Yeah.
And we're going to keep it moving.
Keep it moving.
Now it's getting thicker.
Yeah. Alright, you want this to cook just a little bit because you don't want to taste the raw flour, so you want to cook it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Now you might want to turn it back to low.
Okay. Yeah, you can see it's starting to
Thicken up nicely.
Yes. Ooh, this is going to be nice. And we didn't even add the main
The nooch.
attraction yet.
Oh, was that a spoiler?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Lovely.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Alright, we've already been spoiled, but here's our special ingredient, Nutritional Yeast. Oh, I just
Special
love it.
guest
I love it so much. So we can just dump the whole thing in,
Yeah,
right?
dump it all in.
We're gonna dump it all in and then mix it up. Ooh, you can smell the cheesiness now.
Mm-hmm.
This nooch always reminds me of those...
I think you could turn it off, too.
Okay. We're going to turn off our heat. That always scares me how we have to go through high to turn it off.
Right.
Because the flame gets really big.
It does.
But anyway, the nooch always reminds me of when we made those like Cheez-Its.
Yeah, well, I'm always thinking about those. I want to do them again, and I never have a spare moment to do them. It's been so busy lately. Yeah. Maybe we'll revisit them for Veganuary.
Maybe.
Ooh, that looks amazing.
So this is a little bit on the thicker side. If you guys want a thinner cheese, you could add just a little bit more flax milk to loosen it up a bit. But I think we're probably going to leave ours on the thicker side for today. Yeah,
if you were eating this right now, I would just not thicken it up. But if you're keeping what's left over in the fridge, if you haven't devoured the entire thing, I would definitely not serve it cold. I would heat it up and possibly, if it was too thick, add some milk then. And, you know, reconstitute it with some non-dairy milk.
Got it.
One other thing, if you don't have Harissa, and probably not many people do because it's kind of a...
It's a little bit...
It's like a hipster spice right now. Yeah. Chili powder will work just fine. Dark red chili powder. Alright, let's plate that bad boy up. Alright, we've got it all bowled up with some beautiful multi-grain tortilla chips.
Yep.
You haven't tasted it yet? No, I just licked the spatula and it was, I'm going to spoil it again, amazing.
I'll accept that spoiler.
Alright.
Ooh, it looks good. This reminds me of that pub cheese that we made.
Yeah.
Okay.
This would be really good on like a burrito too, or some loaded nachos maybe.
Yeah. If we were going to do that, I'd probably thin it out a little bit.
Yeah.
But I think if you're going to like dip it, for a dip, I would say it's probably better on the thick side.
I think so too, because you don't want it dripping everywhere.
Mmm. Oh yeah.
Nice, right?
Very good.
Some black olives on there would be nice too, or if you want to stir in some salsa, if you want to lighten it up a little bit.
Make it like a queso.
Right.
Ooh, we should make a queso.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's pretty much a queso.
Well, I mean with the salsa. We should make like fresh salsa.
Well, maybe that'll be an upcoming Veganuary video, some fresh salsa.
Okay, sounds good.
Because I'm really digging the fresh salsa we've been getting lately with the cilantro in it.
Yeah, so we should try making our own.
All right.
All right, guys. We will see you next time. Hope you try this out because it's delicious. And let us know if you do. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're into it. And until next time, much love.